is a real washboarded road. It's real rough, especially when it knocks the front headlight right out of the holder there. Up here in the Payette National Forest, we gotta go that way. Well, here we are about to come up to our hairpin turn that I don't think the 12 axle is gonna make at all, so we shall see. My mirror's gone south for the time being, but yeah, we'll see how this goes here in a minute. It's gonna be a tough one. We'll see if we lose traction. We got a 980 in front of us to help pull us up the hill if need be. Let's see if that stays there. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Here comes our turn. Just barely made it. Well, we're still going. The mirror's left the chat, but the view's not too bad. It'd be better without all the smoke, but we're still climbing, going up. Well, we made it to the top of the hill to 330. Now we just gotta get her off the wagon and go down that way and go find the pavement again.